Alright, as you can tell, we're starting early this morning. It's a little bit after 5, and we're heading to Maple Grove. We're going to watch the Nitro boys run today. Big boy racing boys. First time I've ever seen it, believe it or not. So I'm going to get to see under 4-second run today for the first time. So hopefully you stick around and enjoy this.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body get.
Alright, we have made it. Because this is my first time. Get it? Thank you. We in. Well, the fake tickets worked. Alright, the backside of the starting line. We're getting ready to walk to our seats now. Maple Grove Raceway. Pep Boys is a sponsor of this. And there's the Nitro car. All tore apart back here. Let me zoom in on that motor. A little shaky, apologize. It's a funny car. We'll just do a quick walk through the pits here. See what's going on. And here is our host. We're here invited with the Napa team. So we get to hang out in there, eat, drink, be merry, hang out with the Napa car for Ron Caps. Pretty cool. I go for my boy Kevin. There you go, Kev. Leah Pruitt's car. Got RL carrier car and they're set up. Not as big as the Napa boys, but should be a good time. Yeah, buddy. All right, here is our seat. Look at that, man. We're right on the starting line here. I'm gonna try to get as much action as I can going all the way down, but I will get some good starting line action for sure. All right, I'm ready to get something to eat. Then we're gonna do a track walk, and then we're going racing, boys. You're getting after it in there. Alright, so you could not take much of that fumes, but we're heading down for a track walk, so we're gonna check out the track, walk the go through the pits and walk down to the track. Heading on down there. We're on camera at the track walk.
You got your whole family here. Your dad put drag racing into your mind.
Oh, there's a Maple Grove.
you get to keep it going for all of these people. What else this is what it's all about for our family. These fans really make the drive special for the school. We're drag racing really hard, but without the fans, we don't have a school. So for all you guys coming out all weekend, we appreciate it. The weather's been great, but we're ready to turn it up here with a funny car and top fuel and pro stock with a countdown. And you guys ready?
Yeah! Your PhD is out there too. So this thing that your dad got you into, you're continuing to be loved for driving. Junior, thank you.
In a minute, this is gonna be happening right here. Pushing out the Pup Boy car. Truck's getting ready to come and tow her down. That's our VIP passes that were brought to us from these guys right here. And Ron just walked past. He's in the van right there. There he is over there. We'll see him in a second. There he is right over there. There you go. Hopefully he has a good, safe day. And here we are in the VIP area, which is pretty damn cool. Doug Coletta and Leah Bruin, first run. You can smell the nitro from the bleachers. $372. First set for Pro Stock. Yeah, buddy. Sorry, pulled it off. 385. Napa VIP treats us well. Don't they treat us well, Mikey?
Oh yeah, buddy. Napa know-how.
Yes, Napa know-how, baby. We got Danny. Gary's over there. Bobby. And the crew. day is done, so they are out of here. I didn't realize they tore it down that much. Wow. All right, we're heading back for the semifinals, and then we'll get our finals off. Probably going to pull it all off today. We'll see. He did it. Wow. That shit was close.